Best investment strategies for 2025, where smart money is moving. Right now, 2025 is not the year to sit on your money. Inflation's creeping up, tech's exploding, and smart investors are making moves right now. In this video, I'm giving you the best investment strategies of 2025, broken down step by step so you can stop guessing and start growing. 1. Index fund investing, the proven foundation. If you're just starting, index funds like VOO, S&P 500, or SCHD, dividend-focused, are where long-term money grows consistently. Why it works in 2025. Despite market volatility, index funds give you broad exposure with low fees. You're owning a slice of hundreds of top companies, which evens out risk. Steps to start. Open a Roth IRA or brokerage account with Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Automate monthly buys, even 100-month builds wealth. Reinvest dividends. Compound interest and mock your quiet millionaire math. Bonus. Pair with a dividend ETF like JEPI or SCHD for income plus growth. 2. Fractional real estate, without being a landlord. Platforms like Fundrise or Arrived Homes let you invest in cash-flowing real estate for as little as $10 to $100. Why it's big in 2025. Real estate prices are stabilizing, and rental demand is up post-2023 housing crunch. You're investing in properties without dealing with tenants or repairs. Steps to start. Create an account on Fundrise or Arrived. Choose a portfolio. Growth, income, or balanced. Fund your account and track earnings monthly. This gives you diversified property exposure without needing $50K down payments. 3. High-interest Treasury ETFs. Low-risk, solid-yield money market funds and Treasury ETFs like BIL, SHV, or TFLO are offering 4.5% plus returns with almost no risk in 2025. Why it's smart. Great place to park emergency funds or short-term cash while still earning. Beats letting money rot in your checking account. Steps to start. Open a brokerage account with low-fee access, Fidelity or Schwab. Buy short-term Treasury ETFs directly. Set automatic transfers from checking to sweep cash into yield-generating assets. Perfect for cautious investors or temporary storage between big plays. 4. Investing in AI plus automation stocks or ETFs. AI isn't hype anymore. It's infrastructure. Investing in companies building AI tools or benefiting from automation is a 2025 smart play. Top picks: ETFs like Bots, Robotics Automation, RKQ Innovation Focused, or Robo. Individual stocks like NVIDIA, NVDA, ASML, Palantir, or Snowflake. Dior always. Steps to start. Start small. Allocate 5 to 10% of your portfolio to tech innovation. Dollar cost average monthly to smooth out volatility. This is your moonshot strategy. High upside, high innovation. 5. REITs for passive monthly income. If you want consistent cash flow, real estate investment trusts, REITs like O, Realty Income, and AGNC pay monthly dividends. Why they work in 2025. Interest rates are still elevated, so yield is high. Great for income-focused investors who don't want physical properties. Steps to start. Choose REITs with long-term track records and diversified assets. Reinvest dividends or collect as passive income. Use M1 Finance to build a REIT pie you can automate. This strategy is perfect for building income streams that grow with you. Bonus strategy. Your Roth IRA is still king. You can do all these strategies inside a Roth IRA and never pay tax on your profits. That's literally legal tax-free wealth. Steps: open a Roth IRA with Fidelity or Vanguard. Max out contributions, $7,000 a year if under 50. Load it with index funds, dividend stocks, or even REITs. You're building a tax-free retirement machine while everyone else complains about taxes. Now you've got real strategies, real steps, and real potential. Whether you're working with $100, $1,000, or more, don't just save in 2025. Invest smart. Drop a comment. What strategy are you using this year? And if you want me to break any of these down into a full guide, just say the word. Don't forget, money isn't the goal. Freedom is. Subscribe for more real talk, real tools, and real results. This is Mind on Millions.